Good Thursday morning, everybody. This is Ed from Nathan Editor, back with another video. Today's video is going to be on a random alarm clock radio that just sits around and does nothing. Here's the plug-in for this bad boy. The cord extends, I don't know how long. Okay, so we're going to show you guys this. On the top right, on the bottom right, I should say, is your display. On the left, I don't know what that thing is. On the top left is your tuner and your volume up and down. It's got a speaker. I don't know how many it has actually. I think it has one. And then it's got some buttons. There's a snooze one, which is right below your display. There's a bunch of other ones. I don't actually know what they do. It also has a button that does toggle something, and then it's got a bunch of switches. Toggle your alarm on and off. I don't know what this scratch thing there is. I don't know. And then it's got a bunch of other switches, which choose your AM and FM, and it also does a lot of other stuff. So it doesn't look like much, but when we plug it in, which is what we're gonna do now, it works. Now, I don't know how to set this thing, so you see, but the buttons work because you push this, it works, and you push this, it works. I think it works. I hope it does. I don't know what brand or model this is. If anyone wants to buy it, I don't know where you can buy it from. But yeah, let's show you guys the radio. Let's see. Do FM first. Sorry guys, it's been so long I don't even remember how to...
The College of Agriculture, Food Systems and Natural Resources at NDSU and its efforts to cross the North Dakota
Okay. I think there might even be a sleep function on this thing. Heck, I can't remember.
Just like a catchy jingle makes the perfect radio commercial.
See, there's the little speakers.
Driving daily.
Yeah. So as you see, the FM kind of sucks. It can get Maverick 105 and the Rock Farm 106.7 upstairs, but if you look at the top of this bad boy, there's no external antenna. Well, this is probably, I don't know where the top is, but there's no external antenna on this sucker. So the reception kind of sucks. Let's go to AM. Dang thing worked. And we go to the bottom of the band. $550. KFR. There's Merc. Sorry guys, I'm moving it to see.
Scott Kaler with Weather Watch. What's the change?
As temperatures later today and into tomorrow, the snow will become drier, and also the wind will pick up. So
680 CJLB out of Canada.
The nature of the snow will change a bit and become drier.
710. Fox Sports. 740 out of 40. 790 out of Fargo. Might be 910 or 880, I don't know. Yeah, I think you get some 910.
For body. After dropping off
950 CFAM out of Canada.
Many meets today. PAC is making a commitment to invest in Africa's indigenous women. Roe now face a list of charges.
I think you can barely pull in 970.
Police will be involved, so too the federal government. Marco Mendicino is the public safety minister.
990 CVC out of Winnipeg.
Strengthening relationships with countries that also have had outreach from China and...
Let's see if I can.
When a cold comes on strong,
Candy K 1080.
knock it out with Vicks DayQuil Severe for max strength.
I think it's a mix of 1080, maybe 1100 or 1120. 1200 I think is there.
Punishing cold relying on the kindness of...
It is, that's 1240 KDR to Devil's Lake. This is actually not a nighttime band scan, y'all. This is a daytime. If I had to guess, maybe 1290 out of Winnipeg. Or up in Canada there somewhere. TSN maybe, or 1310. It's 1370. I don't know what some of these channels actually are that are coming in, because we'll just go back to the bottom of the band. It does sound a little bit better when you're not trying to film and when you're not trying to figure out what each channel is. So, as I said earlier, this one here, this knob, is a tuner, and this one's the volume. Let's go pretty loud for a little alarm clock. It's like a little square type alarm clock, actually. And the camera makes the color of the clock face look weird, but it's more of like a reddish, orangish in person. The camera and maybe the light, I don't know what it is, but it looks kind of purplish on here to me. It's more of a reddish type, orangish type. If y'all want to see the bottom of the clock. And yes, there's a loose piece in it. I don't know what it is for. The bottom, the plug plugs into the bottom there, and then you can open up the back of it. I've never actually tried that before. Huh. There's a battery in there. Well, what do you know? If anyone knows what kind of battery that is, please let me know. But I think it's a battery so that, I think what its purpose is so that when the power goes on and stuff, not supposed to lose your time, but I think it's probably better than dead. And if I'm willing to bet, it's probably possibly even be corroded. So this is the back of that. This is the back piece that came on it. We're gonna see if I can put it back on. For those of you who like the sports updates, they've already canceled the tournament in Grafton tomorroro, so no wrestling tournament for Pembina County North in Grafton tomorrow. I sadly didn't do a video Tuesday, so there's no wrestling tournament for Pembina County North in Greenbush. But to be determined, they still are planning on having it and planning on figuring out some stuff. I think this might actually be the bottom right here, and it's supposed to be, I think, stand things that stand up. That's kind of nice. I don't know where this actually came from. It's just the radio that was kind of there that I used to play with a lot. So I don't know what its purpose is. But if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to Ethan and his channel. Share the channel and videos with anyone you want. And don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, and comment any ideas you guys have for future videos. Also, yeah, sorry if I'm doing a lot of radio reviews and stuff. It's just kind of stuck with ideas. Tomorrow's video will not be a radio review. It'll be a surprise. And then also, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Again, I don't know where you can buy this clock from. And I don't know what that says there. It says something. Anyone, I should have not been lazy and I should have read it with Seeing AI. But if anyone can tell me what it says, it's got some writing right there. Hang on, I got it a second ago. It's got writing right here. Just a minute. I'm gonna move it into the light. Got some writing right there. So if anyone can tell me what it says, please do. But please like, comment, subscribe to Ethan and his channel, guys. And yeah, and thank you guys for your good and wonderful support. Ethan and I are both glad we reached 33 subscribers. So keep it up, guys. Yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next video. This is Ed from Ethan Edwards saying, see y'all later. Have a great and rest of your wonderful day. For those who got school canceled, which Langdon did, they sadly didn't cancel yesterday, but we did today. Hope you enjoy your day off. Enjoy the snow day. Noah Hull is doing virtual. Cavalier got canceled. Langdon got canceled. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.